In geology, a slump forms a mass of loosely consolidated material, or a rock layer moves a short distance down a slope. The movement is characterized by sliding along a concave upward or planar surface. Based on other HiRISE images, this particular slump occurred between March 9, 2020 and February 17, 2021, corresponding to the relatively warm spring and summer of the southern hemisphere. This is among the largest active slumps documented on Mars, about 700 meters long. Causes of slumping on Earth include earthquake shocks, reduction of friction through wetting, freezing, and thawing, undercutting, such as from a stream, and loading of a slope. Based on the geomorphology of this region and other active slumps seen on Mars, we suspect loading of the slope via smaller-scale activity like gullies, recurring slope lineae, and wind-blown deposits may have contributed to the slumping. Perhaps a Mars quake triggered the movement. Note to future Mars explorers, setting up camp at the base of this slope is not recommended.